Hey, you amazing grade fours. It's Madame Desal, Mrs. Landry, Piggy, and Gerald here with you today. So we were teaching the box model to you guys yesterday and earlier this week and last week. And Piggy and Gerald heard about it and they thought it would be awesome if they got to join us. And so Piggy and Gerald asked if they could maybe help you through a question. And I said, that would be awesome. So you can see up here, Gerald is saying, you can do it, Piggy. Let's show the grade fours. And down here, Piggy is all ready to show you another 3-digit by 1-digit multiplication question. And he says, thanks, Gerald. So it's been super fun getting to work with them, getting ready for you guys. So today, Piggy and I are going to show you how to do this question, 426 times 3. So we're going to start by drawing our box. And of course, our largest number in our equation has 3 digits in it. So we're going to split this box into 3 equal parts. And we're going to get going. So we know that our 3 has to go over here. And then we're going to go over here. So we have a 6. We have a 2. And we have a 4. Now remembering our place value charts, we know that the 3 and the 6 are in the unit spot. Those stay the same. But the 2 is actually a 20. And the 4 is actually a 400. Okay, so we're going to get started. 6 times 3 is 18. If we look over here, 20 times 3 actually isn't too bad. But we're going to simplify it a little bit more. And we're going to go 2 times 3, which equals 6. But remember to bring down that 0. So that's 60. And then again, we have a pretty big number here. 4 times 3, that's huge. So we're going to pretend that those zeros aren't there. And we're going to just do 4 times 3, which equals 12. And remember to bring those zeros back down. So we have 1200. So now what we're going to do with Piggy and Gerald's help is we're actually going to add all these together. So we're going to start with the biggest number, which is 1200. Plus 60 plus 18. Okay, so let's see if we can do this. So we have 0 plus 0 plus 8, which equals 8. We have 0 plus 6, which is 6, plus 1, which equals 7. And then this is interesting, actually. So we get to bring 2 numbers down. So we have a 2 coming all the way down, and we have a 1 coming all the way down. So our answer, 426 times 3 equals 1,278. And I just want to say a big thank you to Piggy and Gerald for joining us for math today. Okay, you awesome grade 4s, have fun, keep practicing. Next week, we're going to start teaching you the standard algorithm. Some of you have already been doing it with your parents, which is awesome. And we're super excited to continue learning multiplication with you. Okay, talk to you guys soon. Bye.